September 15th, 2016. Guys, a quick update. East Coast. If you look at just the radar, it appears the storms are all moving out into the North Atlantic. But look at the center circulation. It's following one of those loop-down models that we saw earlier today, and we'll look at the newer models. But you can definitely see as I overlay these wind vectors that the surface circulation down near the water is being picked up by the wind vectors, and these are the streamlines. Now what you're seeing at the upper levels is the shear blowing the top of the clouds off. But what's happening, the center circulation is dropping back towards the Florida coast, back into warmer waters. You see that? Now, will it maintain that? I don't know overnight, but I want you to notice something in the last few images. All of the thunderclouds are blown off the top, again moving north and east. But in the last few frames, as it's dropping into warmer water there, you can see feeder bands starting to tighten around the center circulation. That will be easier to see on some of the infrared images. But now they've got it, they've changed it slightly. Now we have 4 models dipping down and coming across Florida. You see that, guys? The white, the purple, blue, and green, and then you can tell who they are, where the reports are coming from. Now, again, here in the enhanced satellite, it's clear by using this one that center circulation is not going with the clouds, and that we do have a southerly drop. Now, let's look at Tropical Depression 12. I don't think this thing is going to be a depression much longer. Early this morning, it was very loosely a wrap, but now you see as at 8:18 p.m., that's East Coast, it's tightening up. Now their models are starting to straighten back out, but this thing, as of this coming Sunday, 2 p.m., we're looking at a tropical depression, possibly going into hurricanes at that point. It goes up to where it's still staying by next Tuesday at 2 p.m. on a direct impact for the United States, the southern coast. All but one model now, and that's the purple Canadian model, are showing it staying on that westerly track. And the green model and blue model are showing it dipping even further south, which makes it more dangerous, because the further south it is, as it moves west, the less recurve time it has to not impact land. But I wanted to give that quick update, guys, on Julia. And the storm in the Gulf, it looks like it's going to bring some pretty good rain. It's wrapping up, guys. The 20% chance. We'll have a full update on that in the morning, but it could bring some pretty good rain into Texas. So keep your guard up on that, and all of these links over at our website, bpearthwatch.com, as well as the satellite links on the left, guys, that show the Chinese Heavenly Palace, or Tiangong 1. A satellite that's starting to decay in orbit. But we're watching. It's a heads up. Be safe.